In this video we are going to see how to download, install and use GeoMeet applications. So from past few days we are hearing about GeoMeet. So we are going to see what is GeoMeet, how to use it, how to download it in system or laptop or desktop, and how to use it. So first let's get into the video. Come, let's explore the infinity of discovery. So first open any browser, go to geomeetpro.geo.com/home. Once you open this website, you will be viewing a web page like this. So in this you can go to download for on Windows. So once the GeoMeet downloaded, just click run. So this is the GeoMeet starting up message, that means dialog box. So next we have to give proceed. So setup requires 250 MB in the local disk. Yes, and just click on I agree to the privacy policy and terms and conditions. Install now. So once the installation complete, it promotes a dialog box that run app or finish. So we are going to run the application. So we are going to press run application. So this is a GeoMeet application. We are going to use it for meeting purpose, online classes, online teaching, online meetings, online interviews, etc. So if you are having a meeting code, you can just click on join a meeting. So you have to enter the meeting code and enter your name. And how we are going to enter into the meeting? By turning off microphone, by turning off my video, and then you have to just give join. Let me give an example later on in this video. First we are going to sign up using my mail ID. So you have to give sign up. So my first name is Infinite Magical Structures, and my mail ID is infinite-magicalstructures@gmail.com. Sign up. So once you give sign up, it prompts activation email sent successfully. So you will be receiving an email from GeoMeet regarding the verification code. So open your Gmail. And there we have received an email. Hello Infinite Magical, welcome to GeoMeet. To activate your account, please click on the button below. Yeah, I want to activate. Just give verify. So it just asking us for the password. So once you enter the password with this special characters, number, uppercase, lowercase, everything, just give continue. So now our account is activated. What you have to do is you have to go to again GeoMeet application, give sign in. So we are going to provide our mail ID, and password. So I'm like to keep me sign in forever so that whenever I need I can able to log out. So this is the user interface window of GeoMeet. So from starting a new meeting, start with video, use my personal ID like that. Then you can also join a meeting, plan a meeting, share screen, etc. You can also give a chat. So if you have any group, that means you can also create a group using the contact request. Create a group. So say for example group name, I'm just giving my infinite structures. So I'm going to invite some of the members who are already in the GeoMeet applications. Creating group, you have to add a contact, you have to enter the email of the persons whoever wants to add it in the group. So say for example I'm going to just give an email. So I have added a contact named test. So in this, after adding contacts, you can also add them to groups. Say for example infinite magical structures admin you, so you can also add a member. So meet with video, meet without video, invite others, start this group, edit group, delete group. So invite others. In this I'm just going to invite my friend test, save changes. So once the group has been updated successfully, you can now start chatting. Hi. So after creating group, we just chatted. Next we are going to learn how to schedule a meeting. So what you have to give is, you have to give a plan a meeting option in the home screen. Then you have to go to what is the date, what is the time you are going to schedule, how many hours we are going to schedule the meeting. So you are going to enable waiting room, allow join before host. That means if we are not going to start the video at that time, or before the time, the participants can also join the meeting. Then mute participants on entry, don't allow guest users. That means whoever having the link or whoever having the meeting ID only can join the meeting. Next you can also add this to Google Calendar or Outlook. Then you have to give schedule. Say for example I'm just going to schedule for tomorrow, so 1 hour. So in this special that means in GeoMeet we have an additional option called, you can also have a meeting of about 24 hours. There is no restriction between 24 hours. You can continuously have a meeting of 24 hours, stay for example 1 day fully. So this helps in managing the meeting as well as the school, colleges, institutional classes, etc. In other platforms like Zoom, Google Meet, we have a time constraints and have the problems of facing some amount we are going to pay for the pro versions. In this there is no amount we are paying for additional hours or additional minutes like that. And in GeoMeet there is a limited participants are allowed. Say for example 100 participants can join a meeting at a time. So this is the scheduling and participants option. And you can also join a meeting, share screen. Same, what is the meeting ID? You have to enter the meeting ID and share your screen. So next, chat. So you can also chat with the group member, whoever has been installed with GeoMeet. You can also chat with them. They have to be in your contact. Next, meetings. So what are the meetings so far we have attended? What are the upcoming meetings we have scheduled will be listed in the meeting. Next, contacts. In this we will be viewing about who are the contacts we have, stored, external, directory, like this how many contacts we have, and we can also group them according to based on the priority. Next, groups. We can also create much number of groups. Say for example, I'm going to conduct a class for K-12 education students. We can also create a class 12, class 12A, class 12B. That means according to the section also we can also create groups. And if you want to start a group meeting, just you have to click on the group and give meeting. Then the meeting will be started. So I'm going to stop the video. So this is how the meeting screen will be, end meeting, like that. And there is an option for, so now I'm going to have a group call with my group. Say for example, I'm just going to click on the group name and give meet. So once the meet has been started, the camera and microphone will be turned on. So I'm going to stop video. Now I'm just waiting for the participants, that means the group members, to get connected to the GeoMeet. So now the participant has been joined to our meeting. You can also view how many participants are there. You can also chat with them. You can also share the screen. Self view, that means you can also self view, that means we can also view ourselves using this. Next, full screen. So self view will be like this. Next, full screen, that means it will be throughout the window. We can also view this. So this is how the GeoMeet user interface will be. You can also use the GeoMeet in the browser itself. Say for example, I'm going to use the GeoMeet in the Chrome browser. Once you log into the home page, then you have to give sign in. Because we have already signed up, I'm just going to give sign in. If you have not signed up, you just give sign up and follow the procedure what I have done before. Then after signing in, you will be asking, this is the user interface of the GeoMeet in browser. You have plan a meeting, join a meeting, host a meeting, and the settings of the user interface settings of the profile. Next, say for example, I'm just going to host a meeting. You have to allow use microphone, use camera from your browser. So once you have hosted a meeting, you can also manage participants and invite. That means you can invite the participants using the meeting ID, and you can also share the invitation link using email, Gmail, like that. Or you can give the copy invitation and send the link to whoever the participants you are willing to join. So then after that you will be prompt a message that thank you for attending the meeting. Next, you can also plan a meeting. You can also join a meeting using the meeting ID. Plan a meeting for scheduling purposes. Say for example, tomorrow morning 9 o'clock I'm just having a class for K-12 education students. Like that, you can also plan a meeting and duration of the meeting, like that. And you can also change the participants, how the participants are to join. Say for example, the audio should be turned off, the video should be turned off, enable join before host, same options in the user interface of the GeoMeet web browser. So if you have any comment, if you have any comments how the user interface has to be improved, and if you have any doubts also, you can mention it in the comment below. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe to Infinite Magical Structures YouTube channel. Thank you guys.